Okay, so I wanted to do a updated walk around video on my 2018 KX250F. The first video I made, it was bone stock. It just had the FMF power core stainless steel slip-on. As you can see, I did quite some upgrades to it. So let's go check it out. First things you notice, I put the 2018 full Decal visuals graphic kit on it. Just do a little walk around. I did put these on a few months back, so it has some scratches. Still looks very good in my opinion. That looks awesome. The rear fender. So besides the FMF slip-on graphics kit, I also added these Cycra off-road handguards. They come in handy if you do a lot of trail riding like myself. Very durable. Another thing I added was the Pro Taper levers kit for the clutch and brake XPS. These are very neat because this dial lets you adjust them, bring them in or bring them out depending on how, how comfortable, if you want it to be closer or you want it to be more far out, depending on your, if you have smaller, larger hands. Very nice quality. It's like a matte finish. Very cool. Show you the brake lever. Same thing, you got that dial. Pro Taper. They come with a rubber cover, so it replaces the stock cover. Right there. They say Pro Taper on them. Can't really see because of the handguards, but they're very nice. Other than that, I went ahead and added a Tech Kickstand. I got this directly off their website. Total with shipping, it was around 160 bucks, I believe. Very happy with it. It's like a matte finish. Very durable spring. It's not going anywhere. You're going through some whips. Very neat. The IMeter. Very cool. I like it. It has a very long battery span of a few years. This thing's a beast. Fuel injected. See if I can do a little startup for you guys. So the bike is warmed up. questions, please leave them in the comments below. So just to inform you guys, if you guys are interested in any of these parts that I have on my bike, FMF slip-on, I got it on Amazon. I got a very great deal on it. It's the cheapest website I found it in. The complete 18 Monster Decor Visual Kit, I got it from motorsport.com. My IMeter hour kit, my IMeter hour adapter, whatever you want to call it, I got that from Amazon as well. Got these Cycra handguards from Revzilla, and the Tech Kickstand, got it from the website. I believe I mentioned that earlier in the video. The FMF slip-on does currently have a spark arrestor. I've only removed it once just to see how it sounds. It sounds very nice. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Have a good day.